When I open APK file from WhatsApp, this file may be harmful. Warning is showing. What is this? What is this? About suspicious files. If you receive a file that can be opened, make sure you trust the sender before opening it. For some files you share or receive in a chat, you might receive a warning message. A notification might appear when a file is suspected to be malicious or in a format not supported by WhatsApp. The notification will vary based on whether you are the message sender or recipient. For such cases, if you trust the file, then open it, otherwise just cancel. If you get this message, then go to settings, search for app installation, go to system security, go to installation sources, find WhatsApp, turn on, select allow if you trust the file, otherwise cancel. Subscribe for more.